The Know Your Gear podcast.
We're going to talk about something I want to talk about. So I was on my phone 2 weeks ago. I think they call it doom scrolling, right? When you're just looking at crap. You know, I don't really get on social media very much. I think it's because I work in social media. So I think I say that, but I really don't feel like I do. I don't feel like YouTube and the podcasting is really the social media platforms as much. I feel like this is more the information based. What I mean by that is I do very little Instagram, TikTok, Facebook stuff, right? But I was doing this and a product came in my feed. Like, how that happens, right? Somebody's trying to sell you something and this product comes in my feed and I'm looking at it and I'm like, what is this? What is this? And I screenshot it, because I was like, oh, I know you guys can't see kind of what it is. I'm kind of being vague on purpose, Look at a little better picture that you can't see. You see the Fender logo there, some amplifiers. I'm like, what is this? Now, when I say what is this, I knew what it was. I was looking at it. And my brain, I was thinking about a couple podcasts ago when I told you the story about how Fender made us buy baseballs. And we had to buy all these baseballs. And Fender and these companies sometimes push, product on dealers. And I told you guys that one of my friends who owned a music store as well, was very upset because he said he didn't want to be in the fashion industry. And so when Fender and Gibson were making him buy shirts and jackets and stuff, he was very upset because he wanted to sell guitars for a living and not, clothing. And so you couldn't time this any better. Not only did I see that, I thought about buying it for a laugh, but I was like, what a waste. And then I happened to be in the Guitar Center because I don't know if you know, half my stories are I happen to be in a music store. I happened to be in a music store and I saw it actually. And then the Guitar Center employees said, oh yeah, we can't sell those. That's what they said. We can't. I'm telling you what it is in a second. They go, yeah, we can't sell those. And they're on sale for half off. I'm like, oh, so this is a new product from Fender. We're going to go over it because I know what you're thinking. It's not the product that I find funny. If you haven't figured out what this is the new Fender 2-pack Fender amplifier kitchen sponges. Yes, we will remove them. These, I'm reading what they put. These amp sponges contain 3 hard-working layers that will scrub through your toughest dirt. That's right, Fender. Don't worry about Marshall selling refrigerators and Bluetooth speakers. Fender's got kitchenwares down now. I know they make cutting boards and spatulas. I'm not making that up, by the way. That's all true. But now Fender has the new Fender Twin. These are Fender Twins. I was telling some friends about this the other day. I didn't want to actually take the packaging apart. I'm going to take one out now. All right, so check this out. So it's a Fender sponge. It has the Fender Twin logo on the front, or the amp, all right? And then it has the hard, it has the 3M kind of, so yeah, if you're asking me, can you use this on the back of your guitar neck? Sure can. Then you got a soft sponge, right? And I thought about this, and I know we made fun of Fender and other brands for making silly items, right? But this one actually made me laugh for this reason. Not because Fender made tone sponges. That's what I'm calling them, by the way. Not because Fender made kitchen sponges that look like twin amplifiers. Because grown people who work in a corporation who get salaries sat in a room and thought this up. This is how I picture it. Somebody went, Jenkins, we need an idea. We are not selling enough Stratocasters. And they said, what about kitchen sponges? And then they went, are you an idiot? And he goes, hear me out, right? This had to get pitched. There was no way that somebody said kitchen sponges and then everybody at the table agreed. Any of you ever been in a meeting in a corporation? Nobody ever agrees. Half of them stay quiet because they're just waiting for lunch. The other half, they won't shut up. But then the last half, that's 3 halves, by the way. They were like, you had to pitch this. And I'm like, how did he sell this idea of kitchen Fender? He probably said, look, every guitar player does dishes, right? I mean, hell, half of them do it for a living. So they need kitchen sponges. What guitar player doesn't need it, right? And then they go, you got a good point. Every guitar player either is a dishwasher by trade or does them because they have dishes. And they're like, yeah, that's a great idea. We should make 2 in my head, we should make 2 Fender Princeton sponges. And Jenkins went, no, man, they have to be twins, Fender twins. Because you want You want to clean your dishes like a clean tone. You can't get a clean tone out of your Princeton. You need to clean with these things, right? And they were like, huh. And they were like, you know what? It's a great idea. We're going to make a Fender Twin kitchen sponge. You're right. And then Jenkins, in my head, this guy's name's Jenkins, and it could be a woman named Jenkins. I don't know. Anyways, that Jenkins person went, and they got to come in a 2-pack, right? And then the people at the table are like, what? Why 2? We'll make more money if we sell one. They go, no, listen, you have 2, because what you do is you get yourself a glass of water, right? And you put one in the water, okay? You put one in there, and that's your wet-dry rig, right? So you need a wet-dry rig, so when you're doing dishes, you use the wet one to clean, and then this one to scrub, right? So every guitar player, they need to do dishes, have a wet-dry rig, right? I know this is dad jokes, right? But I'm wearing a dad hat today, so it's good. I just want to show you guys and squeeze some of this water out into the cup. And I thought it was just fate that when I was at a Guitar Center, after seeing these online, I'm like, I have to have these. Guys at Guitar Center thought I was kidding. They were like, ha ha ha. And I'm like, no, seriously, I want to ring these up. And they were like, are you serious? I'm like, yes, I need kitchen sponges. And my favorite part of this story was when I came home, Shauna was like, she knew I went to the music stores, and she's like, what'd you get? And I go, kitchen sponges. She goes, no, seriously, what'd you get? I'm like, yeah, see, you don't trust me. Why would I lie? I got kitchen sponges. So anyways, anyone interested in these, they were $10. They're on sale now for $5.99. They're $5. So you can get yourself a wet dry rig, or you can do dishes, right? I mean, come on. This is a great idea. Seriously, though, on a serious note, they were thinking, like, we needed something at Christmas that people who like guitar players want to buy them. And they're like, maybe if they buy a guitar, maybe it's the opposite. Maybe you guys, I don't know, there's 1,000 of you. You have to tell me. We'll put up a survey. You guys maybe. How many of you guys don't do the dishes? Is this a problem? So what I'm thinking is this Fender going, guitar players, they're lazy. They don't do any dishes. But if we get them kitchen sponges, they'll do dishes. Now, the next thing I got was the new Fender garbage bags. These are pretty cool. What you do... No, I'm just kidding. Now, when I say just kidding, Fender, send me free garbage bags when you make them, because obviously you'll make them. I think this also shows there's just no limits, right? I don't know where the connection is. I don't know why Fender thought this connected, but I just enjoyed it so much. And I thought, and I'd like to also point out, I've been waiting to share this with you. Like I thought this was so funny. So anyways, that's my Fender kitchen sponges story. There you go. If you buy any of these from Guitar Center online, use my affiliate link so I can get 3 cents for the kitchen sponges. So if you like this clip and you'd like to watch another one, you can click right here. And if you want to see the entire episode of the podcast, you can click right there. As always, thank you for your time and know your gear.